Hi, I'm Deania Davidson. I'm the Product Marketing Manager for the C5220 Microserver. A couple of years ago, we had a large hosting customer as well as a content delivery network customer come to our Data Center Solutions group and present us with three challenges. One was that they wanted a highly dense server. They wanted to get more out of their racks. They wanted to get more of their data center space. Two was that obviously they wanted to save on power, so they wanted a highly power efficient server as well. And three was that their workloads weren't very taxing or complex. They didn't require the horsepower of 2-socket or 4-socket servers that were at the market at the time. So today I'm going to talk to you about our solution, which is actually our 3rd generation microserver. It's called the C5220, and we have two versions. So we have the 12 sled version, which you can fit 12 individually serviceable servers, all in a 3U form factor. So it's very dense. There's actually a 8 sled version, which is a double width, which supports a couple of other features that I'll walk through later on in the video. So starting with the 12 sled single width, this is essentially what you would find in a 1U server. You find on this one sled. So this is obviously where this one socket CPU resides. It's the Intel Sandy Bridge architecture, also known as the Intel Xeon E3-1200 series. The 12 sled, because of its form factor, can only support up to 65-watt TDP processor. You also get 4 DIMM slots with the maximum memory support of 32 gigs of memory. You can also get the 4 2.5 hard drives. You can also have the option of putting 2 3.5 hard drives. And then you also get an integrated SD card reader, which you can use to install a hypervisor if you like. The 8 sled version, which is the double width, it has a little bit more thermal room. It's the same one socket CPU, but with this one you can get the 80-watt and 95-watt TDP processor, so if you need higher compute needs, you can get those. You get the same 4 DIMM slots, 32 gigs of memory, and then here's what it would look like with the 2 3.5, but you also can get the 4 2.5 as well. Because they are double width, we do have room to fit a mezzanine card. This one in particular is the LSI 2008 SAS card, so you can do hardware RAID or use SAS drives if you like. And we also have an Intel dual port GigE option as well. So as you can see here, all the servers and the power supplies are all cold aisle serviceable, so there's no need for you to go to the hot aisle, which means you can run your data centers at a warmer temperature if you like, therefore reducing your operating costs as well. This is all leveraging the shared infrastructure chassis, so you essentially share the same metal, same power, as you can see here, and then in the back, you also get to share cooling, which helps with the whole power efficiency as well. So you get 6 large fans that cool your sleds or servers, and you get your 2 smaller fans that cool your power supplies. Another cool thing is, actually we get questions about as well, is what it looks like in the back. And all you get is just the fan cages for the sleds and the power supply fans, and then just where you plug in your power. Another cool thing too is that you can talk to each server individually by using the shared NIC in the front, which would be the bottom NIC down here. Or you can save yourself some money on management cables and just use the dedicated port here. So this one could talk to each server individually as well. So for more information, please visit www.dell.com/PowerEdgeC.